To town. Welcome to day 4 of CookMas. Day 4. We are closer to Christmas. I'm tired. This is getting harder and harder. But here we are at day 4 of CookMas. So before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, whatever you need to do to always be here, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you know when I post new content. Okay, I'm getting better with the content, so don't come for me. I'm improving. I know I am. Okay, so let's get into this video. So what are we making today? Today we're gonna make a Haitian dish again. It's called pate. There's 2 different kind of pate. There's pate cordé and then there's pate fou. So today we're making the pate fou. Alright, so let's get into the video. Yes, so like I said, we are making pate four, but with a spin. We are making lollipops pate four. We're gonna make lollipops pate four. So stay tuned to see more, to see how I make these amazing lollipops pate four. So as you can see, what you're gonna need is lollipop sticks. I call them lollipop sticks, but I don't know, sticks. And we're gonna need puff pastry. I use that to save time. You know, just go to the any grocery store, go to the freezer section, and then you see this. This is the puff pastry sheets. Just buy this. Trust me, it will make your life easier. But I will also have a video about how to make it from scratch. Okay, so I'm using puff pastry. I'm using the lollipop sticks, that's what I call them, and this is what I'm gonna fill them with: ground beef. Okay, so we're gonna be filling the pates with ground beef. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is cook this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare the ground beef. So okay, so this is a little bit frozen. But it's okay. We're gonna start seasoning it now and then let the water cook it. Alright, it's on water because you know it's gonna make it on water because it's frozen. It's just gonna let that cook itself. Okay, alright, now we're adding onions and green peppers. Okay, so our ground beef is cooking. Now let's prepare our dough. So we're gonna lightly flour our surface, make sure it's dry, make sure it's clean, you know, clean, emphasis on clean and dry. Okay, so like I said, I'm using the puff pastry dough. Okay, so we got our dough. Now we're gonna roll it. Okay, and guess what I have these little shapers, well, cookie cutters that I'm gonna use. They're like Christmas cookie cutters that I'm gonna use to shape my lollipop pates. Okay, so I have like what do they call this again, the sock that you hang, you know what I mean. So I have that, and I have a Santa head. That's Santa, believe it or not, that's Santa. Okay, and I also have an angel. I have a Christmas tree. I have an oven mitt, I think, or it's, you know, just a glove, I don't know. And I have like the, yeah, that. And I have a gingerbread man. So stocking, the stocking, I remember now, the stocking. And yeah, like the sugar cane thingy. Yeah, so we're gonna shape our dough, but first let's roll it. I know you could just use it as it comes out, like the same way it is when you take it out of the box, but I let mine out for too long, so that's why it was a little sticky, so I had a hard time taking it out of the box. So I'm just gonna reshape, like add some flour to the pan as well. so it does not stick. And just roll. Look at my knife. Christmas knife. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this, make it nice and pretty. And my cutters, so I'm using the gingerbread man, the Christmas tree, and the angel. Okay, so I'm gonna use 3. Okay, so we're gonna start with the little angel. So I don't know if you guys can see. So we're gonna start here. And keep in mind that you need 2 of the same one. You could be making the biggest mistake of your life, or the biggest good decision. So that's already 1 lollipop patty. I got my dough, I got my egg wash, and I got my stuff. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, so I got my angel ones. Okay. All right, so we're gonna need 2 and a lollipop stick, and then filling. So we're not gonna put a lot of filling in there because it's small, like as you can see. So let's start small. And let's see how this turns out. Okay, let's start with this, and then we're gonna put the stick, right in the middle, and then put the top on. We need to Okay, so they're cold now. So, well, not cold, but they're not hot, like out of the oven hot. So I'm gonna bag them like lollipops and you know, get them ready. Lollipops still. So let's get started. I'm tired, guys. Okay, so the idea is to put them in those little baggies and then put like a Merry Christmas card on it, and then put them in this little box, and there's a cover to it. So let's see what happens. All right, so baggie 1, I have 1 of each of the shapes. Put it in here. No, logo 12. Take the lanyard, tie it, and take the card, put it through here, and 1 more tie. Says Merry Christmas. Put that here.
Here, Johnny. What up? Yeah, I told you. You just come on, it's John.
Phone charging off. You see when you pick up? When you pick up a call, it shows you the number that calling you on the bottom is black.
Yo, that's why I said a little about that movie, man.
Yeah, why?
Maybe we should call your dad and make sure. Got your phone?
All right, so there we go. So we got a little box of goodies, lollipop patties. Okay, and so we got a little box of goodies of lollipop patties. And just gonna put it over this, cover it. I need 2 hands for this. So here we go. Got a little box.
I'm calling again. We met a boy with dozens of tattoos.
So there you guys have it. This is day 4. Day 4 is in the books. Okay, so we made pate. We made lollipop pate food, and I will also include a clip of me doing the actual patties that we would normally make. But I just want to. So this is a little box of goodies you can give out for the holidays. It is the holiday season, so if you want to make something like this, definitely recommend it. So I forgot to close out anyway. Thank you guys for watching day 4. I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, put on your notification bell so you know when I add new content. Yeah, thank you. Bye.